I have to say, it's a fantastic lead generation tool for you to be in front of an audience. And I don't mean just talking about your own products and services, but being that thought leader. This is rammed at the moment. So I can't think of a better place to spend your time.
There's lots of people attending, and it's really great to meet so many people in the industry.
I'm so happy to basically be down on the floor again, interacting with people, meeting people from all over the world.
It felt great. I think people get a lot of value and when they feel that sense of connection. You know, as humans, we're social creatures, so we're going to want to, connect with people in a way that's a bit more visceral. So it's great to be able to be in person at an event like this.